luxury cruise ship Viking Jupiter damaged in Maiden Voyage. Brand new cruise ship Viking Jupiter and understood, her maiden cruise, collided with pier in the morning February 14, while berthing at Piraeus, Greece, with 607 passengers on board. Ship sustained STB damages above waterline, including a small breach of some 10 centimeters. Viking Jupiter was assisted by tugs during mooring. Strong wind is blamed for accident. Viking Jupiter was detained for survey. As of morning February 15 she was berthed in Piraeus. Cruise ship Viking Jupiter, IMO 9,796,262, GT 47,861, built 2019, flag Norway, operator Viking Ocean Cruises, capacity 930 passengers.